Oh, don't cry.
I don't need this.
Ever. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This way. Today we are going to St. Bathans in Central Otago. Sige nga, try to open it. Look at him. He's going to bring his coffee machine. His
you got to
precious.
see this.
Here. Which one? This one?
What's this?
Oh, what's that?
What's this?
What's that, babe?
I don't know. It's not a watch.
It's not a watch, no. It's too small for a spa pool.
Is it a tag clock?
Love you. Happy birthday. You open it? Oh, later. We'll open it later.
Yeah.
Oh, don't cry.
Moments later.
The school year is finally over, so I have time now to edit and vlog. We are out and about. We are celebrating this weekend my husband's my husband's birthday. I booked a glamping site, so of course I'm going to take you to our trip. By the way, this is like a slash Babymoon. Happy birthday, boy. You want a pineapple, babe? Broccolini? A capsicum? It's on sale. They look nice. The ribeye?
Yeah.
Oh, what's in there? Oh, your beer? Good.
Garlic. Just dip the garlic.
Good. Wagyu gyudon. Is this yours? Bon appetit, babe.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Oh my gosh, so good. Oh my gosh, good choice. Yummy. It's snowing.
A few moments later.
Here we are. So we're here, just arrived. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, my love.
Happy birthday. And we'll pick a Christmas tree.
You really want to pick a Christmas? How are we gonna cut it?
Knife. Nice. I love it.
Perfect space for the coffee machine.
And I'll just give you a quick tour. So this is the living area. There's a fridge, basin, a mini kitchen. We have olive oil, plates. We have pan and pot. They have milk and butter. Nice. And here's my husband unloading. This is the bed, the ensuite, the shower. It's my first time to use a composting toilet, and the only difference between a normal household toilet is we use a cover material instead of flushing. So you use 1 scoop of top draw each after use. And they have here a first aid kit. The towels are there. Oh, his baby who goes glamping with coffee machine. Diva.
little bit. Uh-huh.
Let's finish the peanut butter pandesal.
One bite. I saw you push it hard.
Yummy. So you don't fancy kale, babe?
No, I don't mind.
Look, babe. How many beers did you bring?
5.
Morning. Bon appetit. Happy birthday!
Oh!
Happy birthday!
Oh! Oh!
Stop!
I don't need this! I don't need this, I just want you!
I love you. Happy birthday, my love.
What is this? Shoes and shoes.
Is it perfect?
Maybe. Okay.
Fuck you.
What's this? 5, 6, and 2. House. Love you, babe.
Ever. So annoying.
You cheating.
You shuffled.
Okay.
Yeah, look at the rainbow. And we'll continue vlogging tomorrow. We'll just prepare for bed. 9:30 in the evening. What time are we leaving tomorrow, babe? Are we checking out late?
No, we'll go at like 10 or 11.
Okay. Alright. Good night. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning, my love.
Hi, babe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Just checking the lake down there. Nice. Are we going there later?
Okay. Pardon.
This is our morning view. It's nice and sunny today. A little bit frosty. It's 3 degrees out here. And I'm going to take a bath. We're going to the Blue Lake. We'll follow that white trails. Can you do it?
POV.
We have to leave and make sure everything is tidy. Made the bed, took the rubbish out, and everything is nice and tidy, and we're ready to go. We requested for late checkout and it's 35 past 10 now. Thank you, Sonia. Had a wonderful stay here in your lovely hut. Lovely view. So beautiful. Benches and table. We didn't have the chance to use it last night because it was raining. Bye, Hopton. Bye, hut. This is my husband.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
So we're here in Meraki Boulders.
That's not mine, that's yours.
Finally home. Alright, I'll end my vlog here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and see you in my next vlog. Bye!